Thermo King Thermo-Lite solar panels, standard trailer installation and testing. Most installations will require the Thermo-Lite solar base kits and additional extension cable. The main components needed for the install are the extension cable, the battery fuse cable attached to the charge controller, the hardware kit, and the yellow caution label. Make sure the surface is above 45 degrees Fahrenheit when applying the adhesive. For fiberglass and especially new, smooth surfaces, the surface should be roughed up using steel wool, Scotch pad, or equivalent to ensure the surface gloss is removed. Peeling back the 4-inch paper, reposition the panel and remove the backing. Now we adhere the rest of the panel to the surface, applying appropriate pressure for a solid seal. To ensure that the solar panel stays secured to the trailer surface, attach mechanical fasteners to the panel. Before inserting fasteners, fill all holes with silicone sealant to create an airtight seal, if mechanical fastening is desired. Add silicone or alternative sealant such as RTV or roof mastic to seal the edges. This ensures water and debris will not interfere with the adhesive bonding. In routing the cable down to the battery box, ensure it is properly fastened to the surface. Fastener holes should again be filled with sealant before inserting the fastener. Attach the extension harness. Caulk around the outside of the fastener. Feed cable through the existing underbody channels of the trailer, ensuring all sharp edges are covered and protected. Position the solar charge controller inside the battery box near the batteries. Arrange that the status light on the charger is visible to a servicing technician when possible. Route the solar extension cable inside the battery box to the charge controller. Prep the cable by removing any material covering the terminals. Apply the sealed connector to the extension cable by placing black into position B. Connect the battery fuse cable to the controller. Place the battery terminals into position and torque down securely. Note that connection points should be spread across all batteries if possible. Coil up any excess cable and perform proper cable management with zip ties and hold downs to ensure cables do not vibrate and rub on sharp edges. Prep a small, clean surface near the batteries to apply the yellow solar warning label that will alert future servicing technicians that solar power is present. Always test the solar functionality before completing the installation by verifying current flow or controller status light. Refer to the solar troubleshooting video for further information.